How to turn any song into a ringtone without third-party apps. Hey guys, so in this tutorial, we're going to talk about how you can easily make any song as your ringtone without any other apps. Let's get started. For that, open up settings. From settings, you can go ahead and open up your notifications. Right above that, you have sounds. Go to there, click on ringtone. And for my sim one, it's currently selected this ringtone right here. If you want to change it, you can just go ahead and tap on add ringtone at the top right corner. Tap on it. It's going to open up your sound picker and it'll show you all of your available songs over here. So let me just go ahead and tap on any one of them. So I'll just do this one, for example. Tap on done. Once you've done that, you've selected the song as your ringtone. And that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.